Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing the super cute and lovable Pompompurin, one of our favorite Sanrio characters. With his cozy beret and sweet smile, he's the perfect addition to your kawaii drawing collection. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our fun and easy tutorials. And here's a question for you. Who's your favorite Sanrio character and why? Let us know in the comments. We might draw them in a future video. Let's grab our drawing tools and get started. Amazing job, artists! Your Pompompurin looks absolutely adorable and full of charm. Thanks for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other kawaii drawing videos. We have lots of Sanrio and cute characters waiting for you. Keep practicing, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.